Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I want to show you how to view recently deleted apps in App Store. Let's open App Store application on your device, and you want to tap your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Now let's go to Apps section. Let's go to My Purchases, My Apps, if you use Family Sharing option. And at the top, please select Not on this iPhone section. Now here you will see a list of every single application that you have ever downloaded that is not currently on your device. So to reinstall the application, you want to tap the cloud icon next to the application name. But if you want to hide an application, all you're gonna do is swipe left on the application and press Hide option. This will remove this application from this history list. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.